Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate or delete stock inventory location in Shopify. This is particularly useful when you're consolidating warehouses, closing a physical store, or simply reorganizing your inventory management system to keep everything streamlined and efficient. First, open your web browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with an account that has admin permissions, as managing inventory locations requires full access to your store's settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify homepage. Look to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Settings. This is where all the important configurations for your store live, from payments to shipping and everything in between. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll see another set of options on the left side. Find and click on Locations. This section controls all your inventory locations, whether they're warehouses, retail stores, or fulfillment centers. It's the central hub for managing where your products are stocked and shipped from. Once you're in the Locations section, you'll see a list of all your current inventory locations. For this example, let's say you want to deactivate a location called Warehouse. Go ahead and click on Warehouse to open its details page. At the top of the page, you'll notice a button labeled More Actions. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Deactivate Location. This is the first step in removing a location from your active inventory system. Before Shopify deactivates the location, it needs to know where to move the inventory that's currently stocked there. You'll be prompted to select another location to inherit the stock from the warehouse location. Choose the appropriate location from the drop-down menu where you want that inventory transferred. This ensures you don't lose track of your products during the transition. Once you've selected the new location, click Deactivate Location to confirm. Shopify will now move the inventory and deactivate the warehouse location, meaning it will no longer be available for new stock assignments or fulfillment. Now, if you want to completely delete the location rather than just deactivating it, head back to the Locations page. Click on the same location again, then go to the top and click More Actions once more. This time, select Delete Location from the drop-down menu. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you really want to delete this location. This is Shopify's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove something important. Click Delete Location to finalize the removal, and there you have it. You've successfully deactivated and deleted a stock inventory location in Shopify, keeping your store organized and your inventory management clean. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.